Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer screenshots into Notion with automatic naming step by step clearly. Open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to store your screenshots. Prepare your screenshots by taking them as you normally would. Ensure your screenshots are saved in an accessible location on your computer or device. Open a file management system or your desktop to locate the screenshots. Drag and drop the screenshots directly into your Notion page. After dropping, a window will appear prompting you to name the files. To enable automatic naming, go to the Notion settings. From there, look for the option to automatically generate names based on the date or other metadata. Enable this feature for better organization. Once enabled, your screenshots will be named automatically. Review the automatically generated names and adjust if necessary. Utilize tags in Notion for additional organization and searchability. Consider creating a dedicated database for your screenshots to keep them all in one place. After organizing, you can further edit or annotate your screenshots within Notion. Make sure to regularly update your Notion page with new screenshots. This will ensure all your important visuals are easily accessible whenever you need them. You now have a streamlined process for transferring and naming screenshots in Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.